Hi, I'm Laura, and we are here at the auto shop in beautiful Plano, Texas. That's the auto shop, the one and the only. And this is a no handshake zone, unfortunately, because of the coronavirus. And my understanding is that you might have a concern regarding bringing your vehicle into the shop because you don't want to get any kind of infection. You don't want to have any interaction with the public. Well, we've made it really easy for you. What you can do is bring your vehicle, come to the envelope drop box. Inside we have the envelopes and we have disinfected the pens. We do this regularly. You just write your information, your name, email address, phone number, what you would like us to service on your vehicle, and then make sure that you sign it right at the bottom. And then what you do is you just drop the keys off in the envelope, seal it up, and then you just slide it through the slot on the other side so that we'll get it on the other side. Now on the other side we will disinfect the keys and then also wipe down the steering wheel and the door handles. So let's go inside and have a look on the inside. Okay, so here we are on the inside of the auto shop. Welcome to our amazing place. We have a wonderful spot and we have a really good team of people. Everyone's been really careful to disinfect everything. We have a hospital-grade disinfectant to help make sure that you are safe. That's our number one priority, and it's always been our number one priority. So when we get the keys, we just put it on one of these little blue cloths, spray them down. You might be concerned that if you have keys that have a remote or a battery, most of them are sealed, so you don't have to worry about the disinfectant getting on them. We're not going to submerge them in water, so you don't have to worry about that either. So then I have the keys that are ready, and I have your information on the envelope. Make sure that you remember to sign it. We will call you when we have an estimate of any work that needs to be done before we do any work, as always, so that you know exactly what your vehicle needs and you get to prioritize what is going to be done today and what you might want to do in the future. If you have any questions, just call us here at the auto shop, 972-578-0588.